Namaste to all the viewers. A very warm welcome to our channel, The Outlier 73. And I am Namita, Chartered Accountant. Today's topic of deliberation is E-Verify written on new income tax portal without login. As you are aware, without verification of income tax return within the stipulated time period of 120 days, an ITR is treated as invalid. And e-verification is the most convenient and quick way to verify the ITR. Well, there was one main glitch in the new income tax portal that the ITR uploaded and which were pending for e-verification, we were unable to view such ITR and e-verify them later. But good news is this issue is resolved now and it can be viewed and e-verified now. Well, today's session is on e-verifying the ITR after uploading your income tax return and e-verifying the same later. Of course, this session is restricted to without login. As you can view on the screen, if you go to the new income tax portal, there is a caption as Our Services. If you click on e-verify tab under Our Services, it will directly take you to e-verification without logging in. Well, you will be directed to the page which you can see right in front of your screen. Well, in this screen, you will have to enter PAN, assessment year, and acknowledgement number of that particular ITR which was filed earlier, but of course, which was pending for e-verification or which was supposed to be e-verified later. And of course, you have to enter the mobile number. After this, you will receive an OTP on your mobile, which needs to be entered in the next screen. After the process of OTP verification is done, you will be directed to the next page. Well, there are different ways in which one can e-verify the ITR. That is through Aadhaar OTP, through net banking, through DMAT bank account, through bank account and ATM. Well, the first one, that is the easiest one, is through Aadhaar OTP. If your registered mobile number, let me repeat, if your registered mobile number is updated with Aadhaar, you can easily e-verify the return by using Aadhaar OTP. Second option, e-verification through bank account. EVC can also be generated and sent to mobile number and email ID registered with pre-validated and EVC enabled bank account. Let me repeat, it is sent only to pre-validated and EVC enabled bank account. The third option now is EVC generation through DMAT bank account as well. EVC can also be generated and sent to pre-validated and EVC enabled DMAT account. So it is important to pre-validate such DMAT account before proceeding with e-verification. The fourth option is EVC generation through net banking. We have to select the bank having the net banking facility through which we want to e-verify the ITR. You will be directed to the login page of the respective bank account, wherein you can log into your net banking using net banking user ID and password. After selection of e-verify from the bank website, you will be logged out of the internet banking and logged in to the e-filing income tax portal. On successful logging in to the income tax portal, you will be taken to e-filing dashboard. After going to the respective form or selecting the respective form, Please click on E-Verify. Your ITR will be E-Verified successfully. The fifth option is generation of EVC through bank ATM is also possible now. Of course, it is an offline method. As a first step, visit your bank's ATM and swipe your ATM card. Please note, the service to generate EVC through bank ATM is provided by certain banks only. Enter the PIN, then select Generate EVC for income tax filing. The generated EVC will be sent to your registered mobile number and email ID registered in e-filing portal. The generated EVC can be used to e-verify the return by selecting I already have an EVC as a preferred choice of e-verification. Let me repeat. The EVC so generated can be used to e-verify the return by selecting the option I already have an EVC as the preferred choice of e-verification. After the e-verification process is done, you'll get a message as return e-verified successfully. Thank you, friends, for watching this video. I kindly request you to subscribe to this channel if not already subscribed, and also share this video among your friends, and also kindly request you to click on the like button to keep us motivated. Thank you.